The V-switch preventive replacement kit includes the following components: a new V-switch with a black button, a switch cover, and a 2.5-inch screw. You will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver or a ratchet with a 1/4-inch socket. Before beginning the replacement, remember, do not disconnect any wires or cables connected to the motor. This will void the ground continuity test. First, unplug the pump. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws from the splash cover end cap. Then remove the end cap. At this point, be careful not to disconnect any power cables on the toggle switch or the motor housing. Using the flathead screwdriver or the ratchet, remove the mounting screw from the V-switch. Keep this mounting screw. It will be used again when installing the new V-switch. Disconnect both terminals at the back of the V-switch. Then remove the V-switch. Note that this V-switch model is now obsolete, and it can be identified by the red button. Connect both motor terminals to the new V-switch with the black button. Route the red and white tracer leads through the notch in the V-switch to avoid pinching them. Insert the mounting screw that was previously put aside into the new V-switch. Then, using the flathead screwdriver or the ratchet, tighten the screw to secure the new V-switch. Make sure not to obstruct the screw passage to avoid crushing the wire when installing the V-switch. Then install the V-switch cover. Insert the 2.5-inch screw through the V-switch cover. Using the flathead screwdriver or the ratchet, tighten the screw to secure the cover. Reinstall the splash cover end cap. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the 2 screws to secure the end cap. Your installation is now complete.